Hi guys, here I am again. So I'm just going to quickly talk a little bit about the glue that we use. I'm just showing you really quick what you do. It's kind of like a two-stage process, maybe even three, depending on how you look at it. This stuff expands like crazy, and I do mean like crazy. So it'll expand 3 to 4 times its size, and actually I've got a quarter cup thing here, and I'm even thinking that's too much glue, though I plan on doing a demo for something else of how to gild with how to gild hardened leather, and at that point I would be mixing some of my animal hide glue with some gesso, so maybe it's not so bad. And whatever I don't use, I can actually pour out on a piece of paper, not paper, but like wax paper or something with oil or whatever on it, and it will actually start to dry on that and harden, and then I can break it back up into sort of its original state as I got it, which is like this. This isn't my favorite version of it, like I said before, but yeah, it does its thing. So I'm putting in 1/4 cup of animal hide glue, dried animal hide glue, and seal that back up. Take 3 of these, slide this a little ways away, carefully bring my quarter cup over. 1, yeah, could time this a little better, I guess, or maybe use something else, but whatever. You're here, you're watching. I try to edit this down as fast as possible. 3. Okay. I'm going to now let that soak for a while. I can even give it a nice little stir with something. Table knife. Ooh, so exciting. Just to make sure I get some of the air out and really make sure the water gets into all of the glue. It's basically just a gelatin. Gelatin is like a not as good as a animal hide glue. It can be used as glue. I wouldn't, only because the animal hide glue has a much more a stronger bond, whereas I wouldn't. All right, example. So your envelopes, you lick the seal or whatever. Maybe you don't lick the seal, but it's kind of like that kind of glue. Gelatin would be, and then this would be something that you would bond, say, a chair leg to the chair to really hold it in place because it's a stronger glue. So what's going to happen now is that is going to gelatinous, or whatever you call it, gelatinify. And when it's ready, I'm then going to go on to the next stage where you actually heat up. You heat up the gelatin in another bowl of hot water. I would actually take this bowl and immerse it into a hot bath, a hot liquid bath, and that heat is going to start to liquefy the gelatin. And then I can actually go ahead and start brushing it onto the next casing layer of leather and glue the 2 pieces together. So I just want to show you guys this. This is the first stage, just mixing it with water. Like I said, I'm personally doing a 3 to 1, 3 parts water, 1 part animal hide glue, or in this case, rabbit skin glue. Now we wait. Once it's gelatinous, we'll go from there. So let the magic of the internet do its thing.